Hey everyone, please subscribe this Wikitech channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notifications.
Hi everyone, this is TSM from Tech. Hey guys, I hope you all are good and doing great. The thing is guys, we know the brand MI. So in MI, the Xiaomi and Redmi. Whereas in Redmi, the company launches a special edition like the Prime Edition. So like that in this year 2020, the first time the company launches the Redmi 9 Prime. So the Prime means usually we get a lot of the specifications, but the cost of the mobile phone was very small, less amount, but they give a lot of specifications, so that was good. I mean, the Prime series from the Redmi was very good. Whereas if you look at the history of the Prime series from the Redmi brand, this is the third mobile. The first time they releases the Redmi 2S Prime, 3S Prime, and right now they was going to release the Redmi 9 Prime with reasonable cost, and the specifications was extraordinary. Okay, anyhow, let's get look into this video. And whereas guys, this mobile comes with 6.53 inches. It's a full HD plus display at a resolution of 2340 into 1080 pixels resolution. And also the interesting thing in this mobile phone is it comes with 400 plus nits brightness level, which means guys, if you use this display in the direct, outdoor conditions like the direct sunlight, also the visibility of the display was very good because of that 400 nits brightness level. And also guys, it was protected with Corning glass strip protection in the front side. Of course, at the back side it comes with plastic body, and also it was designed for the splash proof resistance, which means it can survival in the situations like unexpected raindrops. It can survival. So it was designed for splash proof resistance, and the company claims that it also comes with dust proof resistance also. But anyhow, about the display, it comes with 6.53 full HD plus display. I like it very much. And also the second interesting thing here is it comes with MediaTek Helio G80 processor. Guys, G series, the letter G80. G means it's a gaming processor. It's not the best in department, but if you look at the price department, this processor is one of the best, and it's built with 12 nanometer architecture. And also they uses the octa-core guys, whereas in that octa-core they uses the 2 cores was powerful cores, and remaining 6 cores they use the power efficient. The 2 cores was they uses the 2 cores with ARM Cortex A75 at a clock speed of 2.0 gigahertz, and the remaining power efficient cores, the 6 cores they uses the ARM Cortex A53 at the clock speed of 1.8 gigahertz. So guys, in terms of processor department, I like it very much because this processor is like a gaming processor, not extraordinary, but for daily usage or even to play the games also, this processor is good. G80 processor. If you're talking about the camera specification, the primary camera, it comes with 13 megapixel for wide, and they added the 8 megapixel for ultra wide. It can able to cover the field of view in ultra wide 118 degrees. It can able to cover the footage, and whereas they added the 5 megapixel for macro and 2 megapixel for portraits and depth sensor like that. And also we can able to shoot 1080 at 30 frames per second. So like that, if you're talking about the front cam, they added 8 megapixel for the selfie shooter. Of course, with the help of the front camera also, we can able to shoot the video 1080 at a rate of 30 frames per second. So if you look at the backside camera, 13 plus 8 plus 5 plus 2, where is the 5 megapixel for macro and 2 megapixel for depth, portrait shot. I wish they should give 5 megapixel for portrait and 2 megapixel for macro. So usually guys, most of the people do not use the macro shots. Only the people who loves the photography, those people will like the macro shots. Taking the object, capturing the object with the closest distance. The macro shot lenses was useful, but most of the people use the wide lenses usually, and ultra wide for family photos and selfies. So like that, portrait shots, many of the people interested to take the portrait shots. So I wish they should give 5 megapixel for portrait, but they're giving 2 megapixel. But anyhow, this is the camera department. So finally, if you're talking about the connectivity department of this Redmi 9 Prime, it comes with dual SIM, and also there was a micro SD card slot. It comes with triple slot expandability, whereas we can increase the storage department with micro SD card up to 512 GB, and this mobile can able to support dual SIM, dual volt, which means HD calling for SIM 1 and SIM 2, and also this mobile phone can connect the Wi-Fi dual band. We can able to connect 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi band, and also like that we can able to connect the 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi band also. So that was the good thing. Usually in this price category, the mobile phones usually connect with single band Wi-Fi, which is 2.4 gigahertz, but whereas this one can easily connect dual band like 5 gigahertz also, and also they added the GPS was enabled here, Wi-Fi direct was enabled, Wi-Fi display was also enabled, and Bluetooth technology they use here 5.0 version, which is the awesome in this price category. And also guys, if we're talking about the sensor, this mobile phones comes with a fingerprint sensor which was available at the rear side, and also proximity sensor was available, light sensor, gyroscope sensor, and compass sensor. I mean almost all the sensors was available what we use in the daily life, so they did not skip the sensors in this price budget. And also it was available in two variants, where is 4GB RAM with 64GB internal storage, and also they added the 4GB RAM with 128GB internal storage. Of course I don't like the 4GB RAM with 128GB internal storage. Base variant is enough. I will talk about it later why I said I do not like the highest version. So later friends, if you're talking about the battery department, whereas guys this mobile phone comes in with 5020 mAh, and this mobile phone can support 18 watts fast charging. That's awesome, but in the box the company providing only 10 watts. So after purchasing the mobile phone, you have to purchase the additional adapter which supports the 18 watts charge. So it's time to talk about the color department. The interesting thing is this mobile phone was released in the market with 4 different colors. The first one is the matte black and mint gray, space blue, and the fourth one is the sunrise flame. So I like the color sunrise flame. It looks something different to my eyes, and also space blue looks something interesting for me. But anyhow, that sunrise color was something very attraction. So finally guys, it's time to talk about the price department. Whereas guys that 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage, it was available at the cost around 10,000 rupees, just 1 rupee less than. And whereas that 4GB RAM with 128GB internal storage, it was going to available at 11,999 rupees, which is none other than 12,000 rupees. So guys, in 10,000 rupees, if you look at the price, 10,000 rupees, so this is the best mobile which comes from the Redmi 9 Prime, because in that price budget we're getting the full HD plus display, and we're getting that powerful processor, and also we're getting that quad camera setup, and also we're getting that 18 watts fast charging with that massive battery, and a lot of color options we have there in this mobile phone. So in 10,000 rupees, this is one of the best mobile phone. But whereas if you're talking about the high-end version like 4GB RAM with 128GB internal storage, that one price is around 12,000 rupees. So in 12,000 rupees, there are plenty of options available in the market. So I do not like to consider the high-end version, but whereas this base variant was really worthable and value for the money. So that's it in this video guys. I hope I have provided something information. Before ending this video, the question is when this mobile phone was going to available. Hey guys, you know that today date is the August 5th, but whereas in August 6th and August 7th Amazon Prime the sales was going. So whereas guys this mobile phone was going to available on August 6th at 10 AM onwards in the Amazon official site, or even you can look at the MS site also to purchase this mobile phone. But I was very confident this mobile phone is one of the best mobile phone in the price category from the brand Redmi. So that's why whereas the Prime series was, we do not see much mobile phones in the Prime department, so we see only less mobile phones from the Prime, especially from the Redmi brand. So my dear friends, I hope I have provided something information without confusing you. If you have any kind of specific questions, just let me know in the comment section. I was very happy to assist you. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me. I have a small request, please subscribe the channel and tap on the bell icon. Once again, thank you so much for your love, support and commitment. I see you very soon in the next video. Take care, bye bye.